Okay, it's freezing here in New Hampshire. I think it's like 25. Anyways, I get asked a lot, how do you carry in heavy pieces of furniture by yourself? And I oftentimes have to do just that. So I have a little system. There's a lot of, I call it shimmying is a good word I use. So I'll bring the piece of furniture, I usually drag it with a moving blanket to the edge of the bed of my truck. I always take the drawers out first, okay? That is going to make your piece of furniture a lot lighter. So I'll remove all the drawers, bring those in the house, and then the base of the dresser, well, you'll see how I manage that. Swing it this way. That one wasn't too bad. That's right. Okay. Hold on. Go with me, Maddie?
Yep.
Okay. I need this moving blanket. The snow and ice is hindering me a bit.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Suck her down like this. Okay, so I'm gonna move this blanket,
Okay.
and now I'm just gonna pull it.
Oh, wow.
Right. Okay, and then I'm gonna line the stairs
Mm-hmm.
with more moving blankets,
Yep.
and you're gonna film the next part of me tipping this up and getting it in the front door.
Okay.
Alright, so I've lined the stairs. Can you show them the stairs?
Yes.
With a moving blanket. And now I'm just gonna flip the piece head over feet, so to speak. And that's how I get my larger pieces in by myself. Now, is it pretty? Nope. Is it dangerous? A little bit. But you know what? I still have all my fingers and all my toes. I just have some bruises. And I'm gonna flip it this way up this way. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That only took one total flip.
Took
Yeah.
1 minute.
Now we just have to open the door and
Fun.
get it in. And then I have to bring it downstairs. Ooh, ooh. Okay. They're all inside on the first floor. I've got 1, 2, 3 dressers and an antique parlor table. Everything's in. Nobody got hurt. I'm a little out of breath. That's okay. Now the next challenge is to get all these pieces down into my basement. So there's another flight of stairs that I'll bring these pieces down. I'm going to carry each drawer down separately so I don't trip and fall. Getting each shell of each dresser down will be a challenge, but I'll do it. I probably won't record it because a lot of people will probably yell at me, like how unsafe it is. But I do this all the time, and I'm still here. And Madeline's giving me the thumbs up. We're all good. So just wanted to give you a little inside peeky-poo of peeky-poo. There's a word. An inside peek of how I manage to do this sometimes. I can do this. Right, Madeline?
Mm.
I need more than I need go mom, go mom. You can do it.
Go, Mom. Go, Mom. You can do it.
Woo-hoo. Oh, okay. You want to prop that door open?
Yep.
There you go. Good girl. Okay. All right. We're just gonna go slow
Mm-hmm.
and steady.
Yep.
Oh. Oh, we're almost at the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what I think I'm gonna do now is swing it that way.
Yeah, back. Yep. Mm-hmm.
Okay, here we go. I got a good grip on it. Engage the core. It's engaged, but I got no ring on my finger. Ooh. Okay. Boo! Yeah! Whoa! Second dresser. I got this. Okay. This one's a little. This one's more awkward.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Okay. This one's heavier.
Yep.
Oh! Whew! Okay. Whew. Oh. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna do that. Whew. Okay. Going that way.
Mm-hmm.
Engage the core.
Really?
Come on, you son of a. What is it, Madeline? Nutcracker. That was graceful, wasn't it? Okay, I have everything downstairs. All nice and tidy. Some pieces are already getting fixed. And I have a lot of pieces to work on. And I'm really excited to get started on all of these. So that's how I get furniture inside my house and down these steep stairs. Hope you enjoyed or got a good chuckle of how I manage this by myself.